Hi guys, now we will talk about the TikTok application and we will show you how to sync videos to the selected sound on TikTok. So let's go to this app, which, as you know, created cool option to synchronize your videos with the selected sound to make trends TikTok. So let's tap on the plus button K to shoot new video. But we will choose the created recordings from our gallery app after picking on the upload key. So let's choose videos we want to add. I will choose 3. And let's pick on the next key after. As you can check, these 3 videos was connected to the one. Let's start with the sound section, tap on it one time, and let's choose one of the sounds we like the most. I will choose this one. Wait a minute please, and go back to the main settings after picking on the free space. Later we can go to the adjust clips option, which you can find on the right side. Pick on it one time please. As you can see, we have here the default option and the sound sync one. So let's pick on this first one. And we can also add the fourth video after picking on the plus button. Let's do it. I will add this one and choose confirm. So as you can see, we have fourth video. Let's tap on the auto sync key. Yes, clips was selected and added. So let's tap on the save option here at the top of the screen and check the result. I will turn on my don't have the best videos for this, but you just need to understand that this option helps you to create a trend TikTok which was synchronized with the selected sound to make it cooler, to make it more trendy. So let's tap on the next option to save our video after choosing the drafts or maybe post feature. Don't forget about likes guys, and also don't forget to subscribe to our TikTok, HardReset.Info or YouTube channels. Good luck, bye bye!